Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's a bit of a late night here where I live. It's actually 11:56 p.m. So it's midnight, but out of nowhere I just kind of decided to get up and do this video, mainly because I got really excited. I just got these Gobi lights. They are smart LED lights, so basically you can connect them with your phone and you can control them via their app, kind of like the Hue lights. I don't know if you guys are familiar, but this is the exact same, except it's a little bit less expensive than Hue lights. So yeah, we're gonna do a quick little unboxing, super quick, and then I'm gonna set them up and show you guys how it looks within my setup, and then I'm gonna show you guys how the app works and stuff like that, which is actually super simple. But yeah, you can see the lights here like flashing in my eyes. That's like the main reason why I wanted to do this so late. I just saw them, like I turned them on and I'm like, wow, they look really cool. I wonder what they would look like in my setup. They're super bright. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how that looks like. Okay, so we're gonna be doing a little bit of a POV. I like the POV kind of videos. So here's the box, pretty clean. The packaging super clean. You don't really get much. You get the lights right here. You get this little control panel that you can control it as well. So you can turn the lights off, you can change colors, and then you can change the effects with this. And then you have this right here. It's the AC adapter, so you just plug it into the wall. Boom. And then also in the box, you get a few stuff. You get this little like it, share, kind of like a guide. You get these little things that you can put, you can put these on the wall, just kind of hold your lights really tight on the wall. So that's pretty cool. Comes with that. Has a little sticky film. And then it also has like some screws you can screw it into the wall with. Then you have the user manual. You have the little, I guess kind of like another manual on how to install it. Let's see, it tells you to wipe your surface clean. And then it gives you a little alcohol pad thing so you can clean your surface, which we will be using this. So yeah, pretty simple. You get all this, the lights, little controller that's already attached to the lights, and then you got the AC adapter. Very clean, it's all white, so you know, if you have a white desk or something like that, it really just fits in. Or if you have a white ceiling, fits in pretty well. Hello, Olive. What's up? Okay, so disregard the mess. Okay, don't disregard the mess. This is how my desk actually looks like on a daily basis, kind of. Except the soda, I usually don't have soda. I try to cut that out, but I'm drinking more water. Anyways, so this is kind of what it looks like normal without the lights installed. But I'm gonna show you guys, let me turn these lights on real quick. So this is the setup without the lights installed, just how it looks on a normal basis. As you can tell, I was gonna watch a movie. I was actually gonna watch Yes Man with Jim Carrey. And then out of nowhere, I'm like, I really wanna install these lights. So here I am at midnight installing these lights. I do have some here on the back. Let me show you guys. So I got some here in the back. They're not really fancy, they're super old. They're like $10 on Amazon. You can only change the colors via the little remote right over there. And it's honestly pretty hard to like reach. So these are gonna come in clutch. You can, you know, change the colors via app. So that's gonna be awesome. But yeah, let's install them and check out how they look. So it's gonna be kind of difficult to get in the back and stuff. So I'm gonna go underneath. I do have a standing desk, so that's pretty dope. Makes it a little easier to get, you know, in the back of those hard places and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna put it basically all along this and then all the way around. Yeah, okay, let's do it. All right, guys, so I finished setting up all the lights. It took me a lot longer than I thought, just mainly because of my desk. It's a standing desk, so I gotta get all the wire management, you know, just right. But so I ran it all the way through the back, all the way along, down here as well, and then a little bit underneath, and then it ended right here. I wish it would have gone all the way, that would have been awesome, but I think it still gives a lot of light. It looks really good. Let me turn off the lights real quick so you guys can see without the lights. Okay, oops. It looks super bright, like it's a lot more bright in real life than the camera does it justice. It looks so good, but yeah, let me check out some different colors. Okay, so it's daytime and I kind of wanted to show you guys how bright this is. So right now it's on the white setting. What's it called? Brightness is all the way up. I brain fart, jeez. Okay, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Daytime, lights on, all the way. But let me open up the blinds real quick. Whew. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Wow. But this is what it looks like. With the blinds wide open, sun shining right in, you can still see how bright the lights are. Amazing, phenomenal. These are definitely hands down the best lights, LED RGB lights I've ever owned. And they're smart. Oh, there's a cup down there. Okay, disregard that. But yeah, they're clean. Awesome. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Everything you need to know about Govee LED lights. These are the smart lights. Honestly, amazing, incredible quality. I don't think I've ever owned a setup of LED lights that are this good. They're so bright. None of these, everything I own, like for LEDs, nothing compares to these ones. These are incredible. I don't think I've ever seen LEDs that bright, which is kind of nuts to me. Would I recommend them? Honestly, 100% yes. Definitely the best LEDs I've ever owned in my entire life. Go get yourself a pair if you guys really like RGB, all that stuff. A ton of functionality, quality, and yeah, I could not recommend them more than I already do. But with that being said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it was a little bit entertaining for you. But I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.